Hmm. Hello friends. So here actually we are making this part and this is the reference. This is the reference drawing and I have to make this part with this reference drawing, and it's quite easy because in the drawing it's not quite easy of course, but in the drawing 3D visualization is already shown. But most of the time the thing is like that there's no 3D visualization. There's only various sections and desktop view, front view, and you have to figure out how it should look or it will look, and then you have to work on it. So of course there's a 3D visualization, and similar we will make it through. We have made it through the boolean operation, and the most intricate part what I can see is this, like these various dimensions and how you literally make it. So the one I have tried it with some of the things, like if I select this plane and then this plane, like this is a tilted plane, and then make a curve like this, a curve structure, you can say a diameter, a diagram like this, and with the dimensions of like 28, 30, 40, 55 and 55, and then pad it to this 10 mm, like here the uh, the thickness is 10, so uniformly here the thickness is 10, everywhere the thickness is 10. So with assuming this I can make this, but this didn't work out well. So because if with the parallel through this direction, even if I tried, but this didn't work out. So I tried another view of making different planes and making different sections, rectangular sections, and then joining them with this solid combine. What multi-section solid combine? Yes. So let's see what I've done this, and of course some basic parameters like fillet and round are 3. So there's no fillet and round here, but here are, so somewhere where the rounds are, you can say diameter 20, there are two holes. No, this is radius 20 actually, this is diameter 7.9, I think there are two holes, 14.5, there are two holes here, and of course the dimensions are given, and let's see how the part body get created, Of course, here also I haven't given any rounds and fillets. So round and fillets are not much big thing. You can do it after the part body. So let's define and work object. So first thing is first, like it is symmetrical. Yes, symmetrical. So we can make a center point here or whatever. To make this the origin, and then we made a similar pattern this, then like define and work object this, then these two holes, then this body 4. Let me show you the body 4, body 5. So this is the body 5, this is the body 4, these are the body 5, then the body 6, this is the body 6, and then the body, this is the body 7. So these all add up to this combined body, and then of course this at 11 for this, but after this command also this body is separate. I don't know why this body is being separate. I got it all clean. Let me show you. Let's define and work out. So all these sketches, and the mirror command. Then this multi-section solid, that how I used closing point 65, 55, 40, 30, 28. As you can see, 55, 40, 55, 40, 30, 28. So, so this was the method. Of course, I say this is not the most accurate one. Maybe I don't feel like it. There may be something, some catch, some caveat or something like that. There may be a better way. There may be another way to create this, I think. But anyway, this is how I created this, and this is it, guys. This is a simple thing. I hope you learned something. Method. This was the critical part of this. So I wanted to highlight this. If there's any other way to make this, so you can share it. I'll be glad to be enlightened. So thanks for watching.